Reality TV star Gogo Skottoning continues to dominate headlines after recently announcing her pregnancy, and now she has taken things a step further by revealing the father of her unborn child. While many fans initially celebrated the news, the latest reveal has sparked a wave of mixed reactions across social media, with a large number of users questioning its authenticity and even suggesting that the pictures might be AI generated. The speculation quickly gained traction online, turning what was meant to be a special moment into a heated debate. Addressing the buzz, Gogo Skottoning confidently stood by her reveal and even tagged the photographer responsible for the shoot, applauding him for his creativity and impressive work. In a light-hearted response to the criticism, she joked that the fact people think the images are AI simply proves that the photographer cooked, meaning he did an exceptional job. Despite her response, the conversation continues to trend, with some supporters defending her and celebrating her journey, while others remain unconvinced, proving once again how anything shared online can quickly turn into a topic of intense scrutiny and discussion.